Drivers, I'm Marla, your tutorial guide. In this video, we're asking, are you prepared for the unexpected? Today, we're diving into the accident response feature within the Driver Pulse app. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to the road, this tool is designed to help you handle accidents or incidents quickly and confidently. Stick around to learn how you can stay calm, report incidents, and get the support you need when it matters most. To get started, from the Driver Pulse home screen, under Companies, you're going to select the company in which you are currently employed. For our example, we're going to select Tim's Elite Example Company. Under Tim's Elite Example Company, you'll notice that there are three categories: safety, company, and recruiting. For this example, we're going to stay on the safety tab, and at the bottom of the screen, we'll go to driving events. From the driving event home screen, there'll be a list of any accident, incident, or violation history for you to view. They'll be listed by the accident or incident number, creation date, and status of the incident or accident. For our example, we're going to select Create Driving Event. You will then select the event type. For this example, we're going to select Accident and hit Submit. Once you create the event, it will take you back to the driving event home screen, where here you can locate the event that you just created in order to add details about the event. Once you open the incident, you will notice a list in green for you to follow now or double check to make sure that you've already completed prior to completing the event task. Once you have completed all of the items in green, you can move on to our first event item, Accident Details. In this example, we're going to start with the accident details. There'll be a list of overall safety instructions for you to follow prior to submitting information about the accident. Once you have followed all of the instructions, you'll scroll to the bottom to enter the accident location details. You'll enter information about your tractor and trailer, and you'll also give information related to cargo. You'll be able to add the number of vehicles involved, and if any witnesses were on the scene, you'll be able to add their contact details. You'll also add a description giving full details of the accident. Once you have completed this, you will hit Submit. Once you submit the details, there'll be a PDF generated preview of your answers for you to double check the information you are providing. You'll select Finish, and then that will take you back to the home screen of the driving events page. There will be a green check mark indicating completion of each task. Similarly to accident details, you can then go into vehicle form, accident images, and citation details and complete those sections as well. After you are finished submitting information, you can find any details or status updates about the event from the driving events home screen. Thanks for joining me as we walk through the accident response feature in the Driver Pulse app. Remember, knowing what to do in an accident and having the right tools at your fingertips can make all the difference. Stay safe, stay prepared, and keep driving forward with confidence. Until next time, drivers, safe travels.